Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick way to draft a Flutter sleeve. So this is part of my 30 days stay at home sewing challenge. Okay, so this is part of day 2, and I will be uploading more video every day until the 30 days is over. So today I will just be showing you how to draft a Flutter sleeve. So the first thing that you're going to do is get your basic sleeve, and then you determine the midpoint and draw a line on that. Once you finish drawing a line, then you place your tape at the edge, and we'll be dividing this sleeve into 6 equal parts on one side and also into 6 equal parts on the other side. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing here, and I am dividing them by 1 inch apart. Okay, so I'm going to also leave a link in the description box on how to draft a basic sleeve, so you can watch that if you don't already know how to draft a basic sleeve. All right. Okay, so now I finish dividing it, and I have a total of 12 lines, so 6 on each side. Now I'm just going to use my ruler to extend the lines. Okay, you just use the ruler and extend all the lines. Again, remember, this is part of the Sew at Home challenge. Okay, if you find yourself at home at this during this pandemic crisis, this is a way for you to get back into sewing, and it's so much fun, and it makes your time and day go by faster. I mean, it just beats the boredom, you know. It is what it is that we're facing at this time, but we don't have to let it to, weigh us down. This is a way to continue to stay at home, but engage yourself in different activities. So if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting daily on different styles that you can make, and different patterns you can make. Okay, so this is the sleeve. After I've finished drawing the lines, now I'm going to go ahead and slash. So you slash up to the sleeve head, but do not cut through. All right, so you're just going to leave like maybe about half an inch left. So you continue to slash. So like I was saying earlier, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting more tutorials on pattern drafting, and also be creating different styles. You can also request any style that you want. Okay, so this is my pattern. Once I finish slashing it, I place it on another pattern paper. Now I spread each one of them by 1.5 inches. So you can do yours the same, using the same 1.5 inches, or you can make yours 2 inches, depending on how full you want yours to be. Okay, so once you finish spreading it and making sure all the measurements are equal and correct, use a masking tape to hold it down so that it doesn't shift when you start cutting. All right, so once everything is all settled, you go ahead and cut it out. So you just follow along the spread that you did, and go ahead and cut out the pattern. Okay, so just follow along the spread and continue cutting, and then you cut the sides, then also the sleeve head. You cut along the sleeve head. As you can see, it's forming into a flutter already. So now you can make the length as depending on your desired preference. You can make it shorter than this. So for me, I am using 10 inches. The length of my sleeve is 10 inches. So this is it. After you cut it out, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's like a flutter. So now you just go ahead and remove the sleeve that we slashed. You take your time and remove it. That's why it's better to use a masking tape whenever you're using a slash and spread method, so that it can easily remove. So this is the sleeve after I've cut it out. All right, so I label it as my flutter sleeve. So you label which side is the front. So that side is my front. So remember, on the front armhole is deeper than the back armhole. So that's what I'm labeling here, okay? So that's basically it. It's a very easy tutorial and very easy sleeve to make. I hope this has been helpful, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share my videos. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, as I post more interesting tutorials each day. And I hope you can join me next time. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.